Hello again, my YouTubers. This is Daniel for this 8th video for May 23rd, 2023. And right now they're still here. Still working on putting like a cement in there inside so they can put some gold carts in there. And right now it's about 12:30 in the afternoon, warming up a little bit. Yeah. It's been like a long while. Yeah. Soon it's going to be the first 5 months, probably by June 2nd. That's going to be on a Friday. But the end of next week, not this week, but the week after. Still there. Yep. Working. Well, I guess that wraps it up for this 8th video for this update. And maybe I'll see you later or next time when I give you more updates about this place. And stay safe and see you later. Adios.